Hello beautiful people, welcome again to Terry's Kitchen. So if you're new here, then my channel is all about food. Kindly consider subscribing if this is the kind of content that you like. Today we are going to make dinner. Kindly watch the video to the end so that you can learn something about this dinner. So our dinner is carrot rice and meatballs. I also have a step-by-step meatball recipe which I will link it on the description box. So let's start by pan frying our meatballs till golden brown, as you can see from the video. Then you're going to remove it and set aside so that you can go to the next step. Using the same pan you've used to fry our meatballs, we are going to fry some onions. I've used one red onion for this recipe. Fry for about 1 minute or until it turns golden brown. Then we're going to add in blended tomato mixed with green pepper. Add some salt and spices of your choice. So for this recipe I've used garam masala, coriander powder and paprika. Remember, you can add spices of your choice, so don't add the spices that I've added if you don't like them. So you're going to let that simmer for about 10 minutes. Then you're going to add in our meatball. Make sure you cover them and let cook under low heat for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of cooking our meatballs under low heat, we are going to add in some fresh coriander leaves. We are going to give it a stir, then we're going to remove the meatball from the heat and set aside so that you can cook our carrot rice. For the carrot rice, we are going to heat up some 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of cumin seed. Saute that for a while. Then we're going to add 1 grated carrot. We're going to mix it well, then let it cook for about 1 minute. Add some salt for taste. Then you're going to add in 2 cups of basmati rice. You're going to mix that well before adding some water. For 2 cups basmati rice, you're going to add in 4 cups of water. Then you're going to give it a stir and let the rice cook under medium heat before covering the pot. When the water starts to evaporate, you're going to cover the pot. Then you're going to let the rice cook under very low heat. So after some time, your rice will be ready. You're going to fluff it up using a fork. Then it will be ready to be served. At this point, I know you have enjoyed watching this recipe, and for sure this dinner was so delicious. I hope you'll give it a try. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to give me a like, comment and share to others so that they can benefit from this video. Until then, bye.